Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME 13 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is pretty similar in all of the browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it on your own browser. So as I said, let me open the browser. Just let me go through all of this and then tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Then let's tap on Delete Browsing Data, and here we've got some basic options like visited websites, opened tabs, cookies cache and other site data. We can change the time range from last 15 minutes to, for example, last 7 days or all time. It's totally up to you. And then tap on Delete Data. However, if you want to remove some advanced browsing history, just tap on More Options, and here we've got them. So tabs, saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. So just make sure that the option you'd like to remove is marked. I will remove everything. We can change the time range, up to you, and then tap on Delete Data. And as you can see, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.